Hi guys, today we are going to install this graphics card from Zorak. It's GTX 1650 to my computer, which has i3 10th generation processor. Okay, and I'm going to show you what do we have in here. As you can see, in my CPU is currently running connected with a 55-inch TV, which you can see 8 GB of memory which we have. Out of that, only 2% CPU is there, and GPU is 1.55 gigahertz. And right now the memory is occupied around 58% because it's running the TV. So definitely GPU is drawing the memory from my RAM. So we're just going to install it, and we'll see what difference does it make on a graphics card. Okay, so if we just check my system's information, so if you just check it in here and in the properties, as you can see, we have Intel 10th generation processor with the 8 gigabytes of RAM. And you know, 10th generation this processor comes inbuilt graphic cards, Intel i3 630, but this needs to be installed, as this gives extra power to the video editing and everything. Okay, so let's just get going. Let's just quickly install it. So we got our CPU open. As you can see that we have a PCI Gen 4 clamp here, port here actually. So this is where it needs to be fitted. So it will just get fit in here, as you can see. So PCI Gen 4 will be just fit in here, and it will be like this. Okay, so our port will be there, and what we can do, I will just quickly fix it in here, and I'll show you guys about the power. We need to get the power from here, as we have a 16 port power in here. So we'll just get the power from this port and we'll give it a go. So this is a SATA power cable. From there you can power your GPU and it will be good to go. So let's just quickly fix it. And also we have got our NVMe slot here, so we're just gonna insert the NVMe in here. Okay, so you just need to insert it on this PXI port, just like this, and just need to lock it, and you can just screw it in here, so it will be done. Okay, so let's just lock it and screw it, and I'll show you. So guys, finally graphics card has been installed, and we're just installing the drivers and logging into the account. We're just creating an account. That is very good. So yes, overall this graphics card is very good, though it has a 4 GB graphics memory, but it's DDR6, so performs really well for pretty much basic gaming. So it's recommended. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. It's a review of nvidia GTX 1650. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.